Hello everyone, I would be sharing with you today a very beautiful orange, yellow, green cut crease eye makeup look. This is advanced tutorial. There are too many things to take up in this eye look. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. I'm using this Europe Girl Paris palette, a very colorful palette, and picking this green eyeshadow and packing on my crease using Sigma E33 brush. Link to all the products are mentioned below. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion to deposit the eyeshadow. For smokiness, move the brush in circular motion, hold the brush very lightly. Pack the same on your outer V. After this, to deepen my outer V, I am picking this black eyeshadow. This black eyeshadow is very pigmented. Be very careful. Take very less in the brush. I don't want much intensity. Green is already a dark eyeshadow. I just want green to deepen further, and hence I have used black. Take it towards the crease, just lightly, not too much. Intensity should be greater on your outer V. Next, I'm creating half cut crease. Cut your crease line neatly. Be very careful here. Take your time. Be patient when you're cutting your crease line. When you outline your crease, begin filling. Pull only the edge concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Next, I'm using this white eyeshadow to mattify concealer applied. You can wait for concealer to dry or set it using white eyeshadow or compact powder. Next, I'm using orange eyeshadow on my eye mid. This is very pigmented. All the eyeshadows in this palette are very pigmented. Push the green eyeshadow towards the orange to blend it with orange eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this yellow eyeshadow and applying here, covering the remaining space before orange, yellow. Merge both the eyeshadows well, pushing towards each other. After this, I'm using this glitter on top of yellow and orange. Next, I'm using liquid eyeshadow to highlight my crease line. I'm using eyeliner brush. The tip here is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the brush and begin applying on your crease line to highlight your crease line. Make sure the bristles in the brush are close to one another. They should not be scattered. If they are scattered, you're going to mess it. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Insight. Now I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Be very careful. The pointed inner corner point should be sharp. Sharper the pointed inner corner point sharp, the more beautiful your eye makeup will look. After this, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Next, I'm smudging kajal. Move the brush back and forth on your lower lash line for kajal to smudge. I'm using the same liquid eyeshadow to highlight my pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. When you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, use the tip of the wand. Individual eyelashes are targeted. And it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.